Daly City, welcome to the 2022 Holiday House Decorating Contest. If this is your first year joining us, join us as we go throughout Daly City to see all the amazing lights, houses, and decorations. Second place winner is... And the first place winner is... Now that you've seen all the houses, make sure to like and subscribe and get ready to vote on this Google form found below to nominate who you want as the People's Choice Award winner. Until next time, make sure to stay safe and have fun!